Chapter 8. Network Devices and Topologies. Important points. 1. Computer network. 2. Types of networks. 3. Network topology. 4. Hardware requirements. 5. Network cables and stuff. 6. Server and workstations. Dear friends, we all know about the internet very well. We use it in our daily lives most frequently. But all of you might not know how the internet works. In this chapter, we will learn about the computer networking in detail. Computer network. A network is a collection of independent computers that communicate with one another over a shared network medium. It is a collection of two or more connected computers. When these computers are joined in a network, people can share files and peripherals such as modems, printers, or CD-ROM drives. When networks at multiple locations are connected using services available from phone companies, people can send emails, share links, or conduct video conferences in real time with other remote users. When a network becomes open source, it can be managed properly with online collaboration software. As companies rely on applications like electronic mail and database management for core business operations, computer networking becomes increasingly more important. Internet. Internet is a system of linked networks that is worldwide in scope. The Internet facilitates data communication services such as remote login, file transfer, electronic mail, World Wide Web, and news groups. Intranet. With the advancements made in browser-based software for the Internet, many private organizations are implementing intranets. An intranet is a private network utilizing Internet-type tools, but available only within that organization. For large organizations, an intranet provides an easy access mode to corporate information for employees. Types of networks. Let's look at the different types of networks in detail. LAN, Local Area Network. A local area network is the most common type of network. LANs are networks that are usually confined to a small geographic area, such as a single building or a college campus. LANs can be small, linking as few as 100 computers, but often link hundreds of computers used by thousands of people. The development of standard networking protocols and media has resulted in worldwide proliferation of LANs throughout business and educational organizations. WAN, Wide Area Network. Wide area networks combine multiple LANs that are geographically separate. This is accomplished by connecting the different LANs using services such as dedicated leased phone lines, dial-up phone lines, both synchronous and asynchronous, satellite links, and data packet carrier services. Wide area networking can be as simple as a modem and remote access server for employees to dial into, or it can be as complex as hundreds of branch offices globally linked using special routing protocols and filters to minimize the expense of sending data sent over vast distances. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. This is a network that spans over a physical area like a city that is smaller than a WAN but larger than a LAN. Quite often, such computer networks are owned and operated by single entities such as government bodies or large corporations. CAN, Campus Area Network. Campus Area Network are usually a connection of many small LAN networks, which are often used on university campuses and office buildings. Campus area networks allow for easy file sharing between different departments, as all the files are usually shared on the server machines of each LAN network. This type of network offers a lot of simplicity in the transfer and downloading of files. WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. Wireless local area networks are much like LAN networks, except that they do not require network cables to connect to each other. Radio and infrared signals are used to communicate between machines using a wireless local area network. WLANs allow for small amounts of mobility whilst being connected to the internet. Wireless local area networks work according to IEEE 802.11 standards. These are commonly seen being used by a Wi-Fi internet connection. Wireless LAN connections offer a surprising amount of mobility for users with laptop and smartphones while being able to stay connected to the internet with the help of different networking topologies. Network topology. Computer network topology is a way in which various components of a network like nodes, links, peripherals, etc. are arranged. Network topologies define the layout not only physically but also logically. The way in which different systems and nodes are connected and communicate with each other is determined by the topology of network. Topology can be physical or logical. Physical topology is the physical layout of nodes, workstations, and cables in the network, while logical topology is the way information flows between the different components. Types of physical network topologies. 1. Bus topology. Bus topology is the simplest of network topologies. In this type of topology, all the nodes, computers as well as servers, are connected to the single cable by the help of interface connectors. This central cable is the backbone of the network and is known as a bus. Thus the name. Every workstation communicates with the other device through this bus. Advantage of bus topology. 1. It is easy to set up. 2. Cable length required for this topology is the least compared to other networks. 3. Bus topology is cheap. 4. Linear bus network is mostly used in small networks. It is good for LAN.